detergent, it's a huge part of our daily use, right? There is residues of these products on our plates. So we had tested our product at the c.l.s. to make sure the purity of the product was 100% accurate. And the results came back like ridiculously accurate. So it was exactly what they claimed to be on the label.
They gave us a sample of dishwasher detergent, and we can bring that down to the beam line where we have certain techniques that are really good at spotting specific kinds of ingredients and trace amounts of ingredients in the sample. And so we were able to determine that the ingredients in the sample are what we expect them to be. And that there weren't any surprises or chemicals that aren't supposed to be in the sample. And they can be sure that they have the product that they want. It's really great to be able to work with companies like this that are just down the street from us. We have this one-of-a-kind facility in Canada, and I could literally drive down to their manufacturing facility, pick up a sample, and we could do work like this very easily. So it's nice to be able to be accessible and be local here in Saskatoon.
As a mother, I was very cautious onto what to put on my table. We do not want them to have some sort of reaction or congestion or allergic reaction to our products. So that was where we were very satisfied with the c.l.s.
The c.l.s. has a mandate to do work with Canadian industry and make sure that they have access to these kinds of tools to give them a competitive advantage in their research and development. And so we go out of our way to make sure that we're accessible. People can contact us if they have any kind of research problems that they think we might be able to help with. And we have a team of consultants that can work with them to figure out how to use our tools most effectively for their situation.